Quantum gravity. Quantum gravity is searching for a quanta that would carry gravity. Quantum gravity predicts that gravity is a quantum phenomenon. Because curvature of space actually cannot carry gravity. And NASA has measured back in 2014 that universal space has Euclidean shape. And which means that universal space is not curved, which also means that universal space cannot expand, because the matrix of the Euclidean space does not allow expansion. Only Riemann space can expand, okay? So, the Einstein idea that space is curved and empty actually was good idea for his time. 100 years ago, this was good idea. But today we see that we have to go one step ahead. Why was good idea? Because Einstein say matter is deforming space, and deformation of space is carrying gravity. But this idea that space is empty and curved is only a mathematical description. This is not a physical theory. So what I did, I say like this, okay, universal space is not empty. Universal space is made out of quanta. And the fundamental quanta of universal space is Planck Quanta. Why Planck? Because Planck has developed quantum mechanics, and also he developed this model that the smaller unit of space is a Planck volume. And in the model I developed, every Planck volume is not empty, but there's a Planck quanta there. So, one Planck volume is 4.2 exponentially 10 on minus 110 meter. And if you calculate this, you will see that in 1 cubic meter of universal space, there is 2.36710 on exponentially on 104 quanta. Okay. This is the case in the intergalactic universal space, where there is no matter. Yeah. Now, when we have a case that is a matter there in the space, as our galaxy or our solar system or our planet Earth, then the density of the Planck quanta is less. How much less? Exactly for the amount of the mass of the given object. Which means that if we calculate, let's say that we have 10 grams. We have a mass of 10 grams in the intergalactic space. In this 10 grams, because of these 10 grams, let's say around 1, if we place this 10 grams in 1 cubic meter in the intergalactic space, okay, in this cubic meter more or less will be less Planck units because a piece of matter is there, and it will be less for 4.7310 on minus 4 units. And because the space is less dense, because a piece of matter is there, there is a higher density from outside. And this is a gravitational force. So what actually I did is, this is the mass energy equivalence extension on the superfluid quantum space, which name before was ether. And this is how gravity works. Gravity is a pushing space of superfluid space from the higher energy density to the lower energy density. And as superfluid space is four-dimensional and material objects are three-dimensional, material objects are following this gravity push. You can check the article and you will see it makes sense. If you want to know more about this, then read my latest book that you can buy on Amazon. Okay, so I wish everybody a good day.